In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your budget in Monarch Money. Whether you're trying to maintain better control over your finances or simply just starting out on budgeting, Monarch Money offers a user-friendly platform to help you achieve your financial goals. Let's get started with the process of adding an item to your budget. First, you'll need to open the Monarch Money app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it on your device's app store. Once you have it installed, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Monarch Money, you might have to set up an account first, but the process is quite simple and guides you through each step. Anyway, after logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can access all the features Monarch Money has to offer. Next, we'll navigate to the Budgets section of the app. You'll want to look for the Budgets tab, which is typically located in the bottom navigation bar. Once you tap that tab, it will take you to the budgeting interface. This section is designed to give you a clear view of your spending categories and how close you are to reaching your limits in each area. Once in the budget section, you'll see a list of existing budget categories. If you already have a category for your new item, you can select it from this list. However, if you're aiming to manage something entirely new, you can tap the plus add budget button to create a brand new category. This feature is particularly helpful if you're introducing a new expense or savings goal into your financial plan. After you've selected the appropriate category or created a new one, it's time to add the specific item you're budgeting for. To do this, tap the add item option. Here, you'll enter both the item name and the budget amount you plan to allocate. Be sure to give your item a clear name so you can easily identify it later. The budget amount should reflect how much you're comfortable spending in this area, keeping in mind your overall financial goals. Finally, once your item has been named and the amount set, it's time to save your changes. You can do this by tapping the Save or Done button, depending on the version of the app you're using. It's a good habit to always double-check your entries to ensure everything is accurate before saving. Doing this allows you to avoid any unpleasant surprises later when you're reviewing your finances. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added an item to your budget in Monarch Money. Remember, regular updates and reviews of your budget are crucial in financial management. Keep an eye on your spending and adjust your budget as necessary to align with any changes in your financial situation. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.